Evelyn Wood Duck gathers her children when it grows late in the day. She doesn't mind the time that they spend splashing and playing all day. Mean Mr. Weasel peers from his burrow, eyeing his favorite prey. But Evelyn Wood Duck chases her weasel away.
Henry the farmer works in the fields, tending his corn and his hay. He doesn't plan on sharing his bounty with the wood ducks of armaments today. But when he tries to catch the young ducklings eating their fill for the day, Evelyn Wood Duck hurries her children away.
Oh, look at them now, so young and full of hope, aiming for stars.
Please, please keep them safe,
And maybe one day they'll have wings and reach to the stars.